School Reopening Encouragement Seminar. Introduction. Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am going to speak about school reopening and encouragement for students. A new academic year is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and achieve our goals. School is not only a place for education but also a place to build character, confidence, and friendship. Welcome back to school. Welcome back to a new academic year. A new year brings new opportunities. School is a place of learning and growth. Every new day is a chance to improve. Returning to school is exciting. We meet our friends again. We meet our teachers again. We start learning new subjects. We can set new goals. Let us begin this year with enthusiasm. Importance of education. Education is the key to success. Education helps us gain knowledge. Education builds confidence. Education improves our thinking skills. Education helps us make good decisions. Education develops creativity. Education prepares us for the future. Education helps us become responsible citizens. Education opens many opportunities. Education is a lifelong treasure. Learning helps us understand the world. Education helps solve problems. Knowledge gives us strength. Education helps us achieve our dreams. Every student should value education. Positive attitude towards learning. Start the year with a positive mindset. Believe in yourself. Never be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Be curious to learn new things. Ask questions in class. Participate actively in lessons. Listen carefully to teachers. Stay focused during studies. Learning can be enjoyable. Stay motivated every day. Keep improving step by step. Never compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress. Success comes through continuous efforts. Good habits for students. Wake up early every day. Attend school regularly. Be punctual. Complete homework on time. Keep your books organized. Follow a study timetable. Revise lessons daily. Read books regularly. Maintain personal hygiene. Wear a neat school uniform. Respect school rules. Keep classroom clean. Develop discipline. Use time wisely. Practice good manners. Respect for teachers and parents. Teachers guide toward success. Respect your teachers. Listen to their advice. Learn from their experience. Parents support our education. Be grateful to your parents. Obey your parents. Show respect to elders. Appreciate the efforts of teachers. Appreciate the sacrifices of parents. Good students respect everyone. Respect creates a positive environment. Kindness makes us better people. Help others when needed. Build good relationships with everyone. Importance of friendship and teamwork. Make good friends. Choose friends with positive habits. Help classmates in studies. Share knowledge with others. Work together as a team. Encourage one another. Avoid bullying. Treat everyone equally. Respect different opinions. Cooperation leads to success. Friendship brings happiness. Good friends motivate us. Teamwork develops leadership skills. Learn to communicate effectively. Create a friendly and school environment. Health and well-being. Eat healthy food. Drink plenty of water. Exercise regularly. Get enough sleep. Avoid excessive screen time. Participate in sports and games. Keep a healthy mind and body. Manage stress positively. Stay cheerful and confident. Health is important for learning. Goals for the new academic year. Set clear academic goals. Study regularly. Work hard every day. Believe in your abilities. Make this academic year your best year ever. Conclusion. Dear friends, the reopening of schools remark the beginning of a new journey filled with learning, growth, and success. Let us come to school every day with confidence, discipline, and determination. By working hard, respecting others, and stay positive, we can achieve our goals and make our parents, teachers, and ourselves proud. Thank you. Learn today, lead tomorrow.